CaveGuy, explain the psychology trick that makes anyone fall for you. Ooh, me back with secret so dangerous. Government probably watching right now. Hello, FBI agents. This for educational purposes only. This ordinary-looking rock contain ultimate power, like psychology trick me about to unleash upon your unsuspecting brains. Today, Thog, reveal mind control technique that work on pretty people who think they too good for you, smart people who use big words, even your mother-in-law who hates your existence. This secret so powerful, me almost didn't share, like giving nuclear codes to drunk toddler riding unicycle. But Thog, generous teacher, so grab your emotional support, animals. This about to get wild. The accidental genius moment. Me discover this helping pathetic friend Og find love. Og had personality of wet cardboard. Women see him, immediately check phones for emergency exits. Me tell Og, be exciting, do backflips, recite poetry, disaster. Og become human equivalent of car alarm at 3 a.m. Women flee like village on fire. But then, accident. Beautiful cave woman suddenly obsessed with boring Og that when Thog's tiny cave brain explode with realization, Mia found cheat code for human heart. This technique older than your grandpa's complaints about kids these days. The brain-melting revelation. Ready for truth that break your reality. Secret weapon is intermittent reinforcement. Thog use big psychology words, even surprise himself. Intermittent, and sometimes yes, sometimes no. Reinforcement, happy brain chemicals. Translation, give people good feelings, but not always. Sometimes warm hug, sometimes busy caveman, sometimes available, sometimes washing hair. This turn human brains into slot machines. Never know when jackpot coming. Why brains are basically stupid. Human brain still running cave software from 50,000 years ago. Brain programmed to want hard-to-get mammoth steak easy things. Brain yawn.
Boring. Always there. Like oxygen.
Difficult things. Brain scream.
Must possess. Very shiny.
Like social media notifications. Sometimes good news. Sometimes cat videos. Brain constantly checking like obsessed squirrel. Same with humans. Predictable equals furniture. Mysterious equals treasure hunt. Technique number 1. The emotional tornado. First weapon, hot-cold, personality tornado. Monday, super interested. Ask personal questions. Give undivided attention. Tuesday, distracted caveman. Short grunts. Act like you invisible. Wednesday, warm again, but mysterious about Tuesday. Thursday, friendly but secretive smile. This create hurricane in their brain. Why he different? What me do wrong? Why me suddenly care about caveman opinion? Brain stuck in endless loop thinking about you. Mission accomplished. Fellow cave person. Technique number 2. The availability illusion. Second mind trick. Don't always be human doormat. Most people always available like 24-hour convenience store. Always say yes. Always drop everything for crumbs of attention. Wrong approach. This scream. Me desperate. Have no life. Please validate existence. Instead, sometimes free. Sometimes busy building important rock collection. Sometimes have mysterious other plans. Not lying, just having actual life outside of obsessing over one person. When not always available, people value your time like limited edition mammoth steaks. Technique number 3. The complement casino. Third brain hack. Praise like unpredictable slot machine. Don't compliment everything. Brain get bored like watching paint dry on cave wall. Instead, random reinforcement schedule. You beautiful today. Next day, normal caveman talk. Next day, interesting choice of animal skins. Next day, you so wise about berry picking. Brain become addicted to your approval, because never guaranteed. Must be earned through mysterious cave logic. Technique number 4. The Mystery Vault. 4th psychological weapon. Never reveal entire autobiography on first mammoth hunt. Most people vomit entire life story immediately. Remove all mystery faster than peeling banana. Huge mistake. Mystery is relationship fuel. Without mystery, you just another boring cave person. Me have interesting story about giant woolly mammoth. Maybe tell sometime when moon right. That remind me of crazy adventure, but very long tale for special occasions. Me have secret talent with fire, but you probably not ready for such knowledge. Make them desperate for next chapter. Brain-hating complete stories, more than stepping on sharp rock. You become irresistible TV series with cliffhangers. Must know what happen in next episode. The ultimate power move. Most nuclear option, strategic disappearance technique, always around, taken for granted, like cave air, but disappear sometimes. Instant panic, where cave person go, what they doing without me, not disappear forever, like ancient mammoth, just have exciting life outside their existence, adventures, friends, rock collecting hobbies, be genuinely busy with fascinating cave activities. When you return, they so relieved, missed your unique cave energy, worried about losing access to your mysterious awesomeness. The final warning. But wait, Thog have earth-shattering confession. Everything Thog teach tonight. Only half the survival knowledge. This just getting people to fall for you manual. But what about keeping them and avoiding relationship disasters? Because getting someone fall for you easy with these brain hacks, but recognizing red flags that predict relationship doom, that life or death survival skill. Next episode, CaveGuy explain how to recognize red flags that predict a breakup. Learn before heartbreak destroy your cave. Learn before emotional mammoth stampede over your feelings. Psychology tricks get you relationships. Red flag knowledge save your sanity. Ugh, attraction easy, protection absolutely necessary.